NewsRamp Industry and Manufacturing Podcast, Thursday afternoon, January 29th, 2026. Quick note, real news, AI-powered delivery. Full coverage at newsramp.com. First, a note from our sponsor. Newscrafters.com puts you in the news creation business. Build your online authority today with AI-assisted newscrafters.com news curation. First up.
Ready, set, gold. LaFleur Minerals Inc. advances mill and mine recommissioning work as precious metal continues striking market records. The Canadian gold producer and explorer has completed upgrades at the Beacon Gold Mill in Val-d'Or, Quebec, positioning itself strategically for future operations. With gold prices soaring, LaFleur's progress remains steady, despite winter challenges. For more information, visit the company's newsroom. Rock rakes McEwen Inc. to acquire Golden Lake Exploration, expanding Nevada Gold Bar Mine Complex. McEwen Inc. is set to acquire Golden Lake Exploration, expanding its Nevada Gold Bar Mine Complex. The agreement includes the acquisition of all shares of Golden Lake, making it a subsidiary of McEwen. This move will see Golden Lake shareholders receiving 0,300 shares, 876 McEwen shares per Golden Lake share, with a 60% premium to Golden Lake's 20-day VWAP. The transaction is subject to approvals and is expected to close after a special meeting in March 2026.
Investor news breaks. Olenox Industries Inc. signs LOI to acquire Vivakor's Oklahoma midstream assets. Olenox Industries Inc. has signed a letter of intent to acquire Vivakor Inc.'s midstream assets in Oklahoma, including the Omega pipeline system. The $36 million deal, structured with cash, promissory note, and stock components, is based on $4.56 million in annual EBITDA. This move aligns with Olenox's strategy to expand its midstream footprint and infrastructure. The parties aim to close the transaction by March 31, 2026, pending customary conditions. Critical Infrastructure Technologies. Nexus 20 sale to Critical Metals Corp. For their Tanbreeze project in Greenland. Critical Infrastructure Technologies announced the sale of their Nexus Twin platform to Critical Metals Corp. For deployment at the Tanbreeze project in Greenland. The platform will provide safety and communications solutions, including Tetra Voice data radio, long-range video surveillance, and satellite backhaul. Delivery and deployment are scheduled for May 2026, marking CTEC's first international sale of the Nexus 20 platform.
Golden Goose Resources signs definitive agreement to acquire up to 100% of the high-grade Grand Esperanza gold project in Rio Negro Province, Argentina. Golden Goose Resources Limited signs a definitive agreement to acquire up to 100% of the high-grade Gran Esperanza gold project in Rio Negro Province, Argentina. The agreement with Falchetta Exploraciones SAS allows Golden Goose to secure a highly prospective epithermal gold-silver property in a region known for its high-grade precious metal potential. The deal marks a significant milestone for Golden Goose, aligning with the company's strategy of obtaining district-scale, high-grade precious metal assets in established and emerging mining jurisdictions.
Blue Lagoon Milling Partner. Nikola Mining shifts focus exclusively to Blue Lagoon's gold and silver mineralized material. Blue Lagoon Resources Inc., Nikola Mining Inc. has shifted its focus exclusively to the company's high-grade gold and silver mineralized material at the Dome Mountain Gold and Silver Project. With no third-party processing obligations, Nikola will now dedicate its milling capacity to material delivered from Dome Mountain, streamlining a processing path. This move comes as Blue Lagoon advances underground production and delivers mineralized material under its long-term milling agreement.
Trilogy Metals. TMQ expands advisory and leadership teams following U.S. investment support. Trilogy Metals expands its advisory and leadership teams following U.S. federal government investment support for the Upper Kobuk mineral projects in Chaos, Alaska. With increased project activity expected, the company is strengthening oversight and recruiting key management roles. Exio Bianchini joins as a strategic advisor, positioning Trilogy to advance corporate development initiatives and close the investment deal. For more information, visit the company's website.
Vivakor Rare Metals enters new year with key processing milestones in sight. Vivakor Rare Metals enters the new year with key processing milestones in sight. The company's focus on rare earth supply chain bottlenecks positions its Louisiana Strategic Metals Complex as a flagship U.S. commercialization step. With rare earth elements at the forefront of industrial policy, defense planning, and the energy transition, Vivakor's advancements in technology development towards commercial-scale processing mark a significant start to the year.
Mining news breaks: Silvercorp Metals Inc. NYSA American SVM completes acquisition of Karat ZAV in Kyrgyz Republic. The deal, valued at $92 million, involved a waiver from the Kyrgyz government and the formation of a joint venture with Kyrgyz Altyn. The joint venture aims to extend mining licenses for gold projects and make a $60 million payment to the National Investment Agency in the future. Silver breaches $100, sets new price record. Silver breached the $100 mark, setting a new record price of $109 per ounce. This surge comes amidst a rally in gold prices, attracting attention to companies like New Pacific Metals Corp, exploring silver-rich properties. The market momentum provides opportunities for investment and development. For more insights into the mining industry, visit Rocks and Stocks, a specialized communications platform within the dynamic brand portfolio at IBN.
CleanGo Innovations Inc. announces strategic expansion into South America with first shipment approval to Argentina partner Indio Química S.A. CleanGo Innovations Inc. has secured approval from its partner Indio Química S.A. for the first shipment of 6,000 liters of CG100 industrial cleaner to Argentina. This marks CleanGo's entry into the South American market, targeting the region's demand for eco-friendly solutions in the industrial and energy sectors. The partnership leverages Indio Química's 65-year legacy in Argentina, setting the stage for future product introductions.
McEwen Manufacturing Inc. highlights engineering-led approach to precision contract manufacturing. McEwen Manufacturing Inc. highlights its engineering-led approach to precision contract manufacturing. The U.S. company specializes in metal fabrication and electromechanical assemblies, collaborating with customers to develop efficient designs. By involving engineers early, they minimize rework and prevent delays, ensuring reliable results. With a focus on design for manufacturability, McEwen Manufacturing combines expertise with precise processes, offering flexible services and practical problem-solving in today's challenging manufacturing landscape. Trees RX team member Dylan Trapp earns ISA Certified Arborist credential. In a recent development, Trees RX team member Dylan Trapp has achieved the prestigious ISA Certified Arborist credential. This certification, recognized nationally, highlights Trapp's expertise in tree care, covering areas such as tree biology, maintenance, safety, and risk assessment. Owner Justin Wagner commends Trapp's dedication to professional growth, emphasizing the value he brings to the team. Trees RX aims to enhance its service offerings across Florida with Trapp's expanded expertise.
Allied Machine X expands 24/7 industrial equipment and CNC machine repair services to Chicago, Milwaukee, and Indianapolis metro areas. Allied Machine X expands its emergency repair services to the Chicago, Milwaukee, and Indianapolis metro areas, offering 24/7 industrial equipment and CNC machine repair. The move aims to minimize production interruptions in vital manufacturing sectors, providing expertise and servicing CNC machining centers, press brakes, and other precision equipment. The company's commitment to Midwest manufacturing includes emergency breakdown repair, preventive maintenance, calibration services, and refurbished equipment sales with comprehensive warranties.
DDKMTOT.com achieves dual breakthroughs in industrial automation and smart manufacturing. DBKMT.com has achieved dual breakthroughs in industrial automation and smart manufacturing. The company secured a national invention patent for its ventilation and heat dissipation device for outdoor cabinets, offering zero energy consumption and automatic heat dissipation. Additionally, DDCompt.com is conducting localized deployment testing for large language models and industrial hardware, enhancing real-time data processing and decision-making capabilities. These advancements highlight the company's commitment to driving innovation in the industrial automation sector.
I like you more all the time. Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Industry and Manufacturing Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.